Hey guys, Frisian here. We got a 2006 Nissan Xterra with the V6 4.0, and we are replacing the VVT solenoids, which is right here. One is here on your left side, and another one right under here. You can barely see it there on the passenger side. Okay, and they look like this. Okay, this is a solenoid. Make sure that you clean the surface back here, and also on the valve cover surface. Make sure you clean it really well so you can install your seal. Make sure it's not bent or anything before you install it. And on the right side, okay, because the holes have a small indentation of it, which causes the seal to happen. Okay, so we're gonna change both of them, so let's get to it. They are a 10mm bolt and one connector on the back, and on this side just remove this cover, remove the air hose, and so we can get in there. So once you disconnect this cable, you got three 10mm bolts, okay? And we're gonna grab our new one and make sure it's the right side. This is the plate that what's on here. Make sure you remove it and install it correctly. The indentation of the seal has to be pointing upwards, okay? Not downwards. It has to point upwards. So let's do that. So we're gonna put this one to the side and compare our new one. Okay. So the easy one is done already. So that's the easy one, okay, on your driver's side. Now the quote-unquote harder one is going to be the one that's under here. Okay, you can do it without removing anything, to be honest with you, but it's up to you if you want to remove this section right here so you can have more space to work. You can look in there and you can see right about there. You know, you can see 1, 2, and you can see the other one down there, the other bolt. That's the 3 bolts that's holding it. Okay, you can see the connector right there on the side. So it's up to you if you want to just reach in there or remove this whole thing.